Hello everyone and welcome back to Bullet Journaling with Eva. Today we have new bonus content that is related to bullet journaling, and this is my English learning tracker. So let's start with materials. You will need a bullet journal as always. Then you will also need some supplies. I will use this circle ruler for my tracker. Then this SB57 SIPA calligraphic pen. Then this Ohuhu Nahuku B92 acrylic marker with a brush pen. Then this dual tip marker in dark blue, and I will use just the fine tip of it. And this 0.3 UniPin pointliner as well. And then an eraser. So let me put everything aside, and I wanted this to be in the same theme as my August setup. So if you missed this video, I will link it here so you can check it out. And this is why I chose to work with blue as well. And if you also missed the last week's video where I taught you how you can draw a turtle and how to color it, I will link that video here. So let's go to today's English progress tracker. I decided to go back and get better with my English because this is something that can even help me get better for my videos. And I decided to do it in 3 steps. So first, 45 self-study on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And those are these big circles that I have here. Then, second, 10-minute recap or new vocabulary practice on Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. Those are these smaller circles. And then, as a third, bonus reading in English every single day. And those are these small circles that are attached to each bigger circle. So that is how this is going to work. I also decided to divide vocabulary and grammar. I will color it in different colors. And also I will score Unit 1 and Unit 2 reviews the 1st of August, so today, and the 31st of August as well, so I can have some comparison. And my husband will mark it for me, so I don't know where I made mistakes on the first day. Okay, I will take this ruler. You can also use a compass. Then I will draw out 25mm circle for the biggest circle, then 15mm for a smaller one, and then 10mm for these small circles for reading. And I'm thinking if I should use this blue or this black point liner, but I decided to go with this blue because I have it here with my habit tracker. So I decided to use the blue one. I will quickly write down the dates for each circle and then just draw it. And one of my favorite words I have recently learned is serendipity. It means finding something good without actually looking for it. I just love how it sounds, soft and kind of magical. And the meaning reminds me that sometimes the best things happen when we are not forcing them. And now I will take this Ohuhu acrylic marker and I will write down my title. So, English Progress Tracker. And then with this UniPin pointliner in 0.3, I will write down all the tasks that I need to do with this learning, and also these little arrows that are connecting my path. And I will now erase everything, and that's basically it. Our English progress tracker is done. You can do this for anything that you want to track during a month. You will just make some steps. I decided to go into with circles, but you can also draw squares or steps or something like that. It's up to you. It's just something that I decided to do it this way. If you enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment down below and let me know if you have any other ideas that are bullet journaling related and they are fast so I can include them as a bonus video. Then also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss bonus video like this one, so you can be part of this small supporting family. and I will see you on Friday. Bye!